Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on how to get started with Tinder on iOS. So let's get started. First thing first, let's download the Tinder app on your iPhone. Open App Store on your iPhone and search for the Tinder dating app. So you'll see an app named Tinder Dating Match and Date. Download the app and install it. Once the app is installed, open the Tinder app by pressing open button in the screen. So now you will be on the Tinder page. Now you are required to create an account if you are a new user. To create an account, press Create Account button. Now enter your mobile number and press Next. A code will be sent to your mobile number and enter the code. Press the Next button when you enter the code. Next, you need to enter your email address. Enter your email address and press Next. You can also connect your Apple account by pressing Continue with Apple, but I skipped it for now by pressing Skip icon in the top right corner. Press I agree and you are now required to enter your first name and press the Next button. If you want to edit your first name, you can press Edit Name or press Let's Go for next step. Now set your date of birth and press the Next button. Select your gender and press Next. Select your sexual orientation or skip it. Select who are you interested in seeing. It's women, men or everyone and press Next. Set your preferred distance and press Next. Decide what relationship are you looking for from the option and select it. You can skip if school's your thing like I did. You can select your lifestyle habits from the option or you can skip it like I did. You can set your communication style, how do you receive love, what is your education level and your star sign. You can select some of your hobbies as well or you can skip it too. The next step is to add pictures. Face pictures are recommended for better matches. It's a necessary step so you can't skip it. To add pictures, press the plus icon. You can either click the picture from camera or you can upload it from the gallery. To upload from gallery, press gallery icon and select some of your pictures. Now click done. Your pictures has been uploaded and press Next. Now you are required to allow the Tinder app to use your location to find you better matches. Press allow. If you want notification from Tinder and if you don't want notification, press I'll miss out. So here you go, your Tinder account has been created. Now you will be on the home page of the Tinder app and you are ready to start swiping. Swipe right if you are interested in someone and swipe left if you are not. When both you and someone else swipe right, it's a match. As you already know, you don't need to set a password to create your account. So to change your mobile number, press on the profile tab and click setting icon at the top right corner. Click phone number and press update my phone number. Now set the new mobile number. You will receive a code again and enter the received code and press Next. It's done. Your new number has been successfully updated. If you want to log out from your Tinder account, press the profile tab and click the setting icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see the logout option and press the logout option. If you wish to log in again later, you can press remember me on this device. Now your Tinder account has been logged out. If you don't want to use your Tinder account, you can delete your account. To delete your account, press the profile tab at the bottom right corner. Click setting icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see delete my account. Press delete account. Now you'll see an option of either pause account or delete account. Pausing hides your profile from others but won't delete it entirely. So if you want to delete your account permanently, press delete account button. Select why you want to delete your account from the option. For example, I selected I don't like Tinder option. Now you can select a reason. I selected I had a poor experience on Tinder option and click continue to account deletion. Press delete my account and that's it guys, your account has been deleted. If you decide to delete Tinder app from your phone as well, press and hold the Tinder app icon, select delete app, press delete and it's done. The app has been installed. And that's it guys, you are now ready to navigate Tinder on iOS like a pro. If you have any questions or you want more tips on Tinder, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you.